Uzizwa kanjani sisi ngegebe namhlanje?
Hayi. Ibe right kodwa nje egcina mfana wami ngehlise bozo yami. Hayi ngehlise. Bekuthi ngilide, uthi ngikhale.
Hawu at least nishawu number 2. It's fine.
At least mfana, at least.
Captain, my captain. Uzizwa kanjani ngegebe namhlanje?
I'm not feel, I'm worried.
Oh, ubufuna position 1 when?
Yeah, guys, but I'm proud of my team because at least we won 2 games and then we lost 1. That seems a lot.
Yeah, siyabonga. Siyena uzizwa kanjani ngegebe namhlanje?
The game was fine, just that the last game it was a bit too difficult. But
Hey.
I did enjoy it, yeah.
Siyena? Ubhuti yena uzizwa kanjani ngegebe namhlanje?
Yeah, the game was fine. We have new experience, we have new friends. We managed to win all games and we still won. That's a good thing.
Oh, wow. Uzizwa kanjani sisi?
About the game. Okay, the first 3 games, clock it, but the last one,
Zoba right ne? Next time. Usisi yena uzizwa kanjani ngeteam? Uzizwa kanjani ngegebe namhlanje?
Izizwa ngisharp ngoba ama-game ayi-3 so ngisharp bese
Ngwabo. Next time ne? Usisi yena uzizwa kanjani ngegebe namhlanje?
No, it was fast and we can't complain more because it was just different games. So everything was good. I enjoyed.
Sanibonani uyena coach Abu Okbeli. Ucoach wami lo sengizethisa. Coach uzizwa kanjani amagame ethu namhlanje ungathethi? Is one.